Have you ever wondered where the smart money is heading in 2025? With market as unpredictable as the British weather, identifying the top investment opportunity can feel like finding a needle in the haystack. Today, we're diving deep into the top 3 investment trends of 2025 that could potentially boost your portfolio. Welcome back to WellPod X. I'm Tony. Today is 11th of February 2025. Before we plunge into our main discussion, let's take a quick look at the market. Bitcoin's trading at 98,000. Ethereum stands at 2,700. Meanwhile, Tesla's stock is at $350, experiencing a minor dip. Let's get into today's morning deep dive. In the ever-evolving landscape of 2025, 3 investment areas are making significant waves: artificial intelligence, AI, energy, and gold. Let's dive into each. First, we'll talk about AI. If you think about AI peaked last year, think again. The first wave of AI boom was all about the hardware. Nvidia, AMDs, and chip manufacturers made insane gains, but all those big tech companies have already stockpiled their GPUs. So where does the opportunity lie now? It's the second layer. It's a company that applies AI rather than just sell the hardware. Think enterprise AI solution, automation softwares, an AI platform that helps businesses scale. And here's the kicker: AI will compete with jobs. From copywriting to coding, entire industry are being reshaped. This means that companies integrate AI into their workforce will outcompete those who doesn't. We're talking about AI-powered customer service, finance automations, medical diagnostic, and even AI-driven investment fund. Look at companies like Palantir. They don't sell GPU, but they provide AI-powered data analysis for governments and corporations. That's the kind of second layers AI play that's about to pop. Secondly, we have energy. We're not just talking about oil here. It's also about powering the AI revolution. Every ChatGPT response, every AI-generated image, every deepfake video burned through energy like never before. And here's the bombshell: Trump is back in the office. And on his first day, he signed an executive order to unleash American energy.
Drill, baby, drill.
He's aiming to ramp up US oil production after Biden depleted reserves to stabilize price. That means energy stock could be the most undervalued sector of 2025. But it is not just about oil. Nuclear energy is also making a comeback, especially with SMRs, small modular reactor, which is more efficient and safer than traditional nuclear plants. Companies like NuScale Power are pioneering in this space. And also don't forget about renewable. Government are still pushing green energies. With the AI energy demand skyrocketing, companies that innovate in solar, wind, and nuclear fusion could see a massive growth. And lastly, we have gold. Here's a fact: after the US froze Russians' asset, global trust in the dollar took a serious hit. Countries are rethinking their reliance on the US financial system, and that means one thing: gold is back. China and India's central banks has been stockpiling gold at record levels, quietly shifting away from the US dollar. And the bond market is also looking weaker, with foreign demand dropping hard. And if these trends continue, gold once again will be the traditional safe haven asset. And also we might even see a digital gold standard emerge, possibly tied to Bitcoin. So whether you like gold ETF, physical gold, or gold mining stock, this is definitely a hedge that big money are betting on. Now let's take a look at today's top news. The first news: Grayscale's just filed for a Cardano spot ETF, a move that could bring massive institutional money into ADA. The crypto asset manager is following a success of its Bitcoin spot ETF, which saw billions inflow after approval. If Cardano's ETFs gets a green light, it could legitimize Cardano as a major blockchain for long-term investors, similar to what happened to Bitcoin and Ethereum earlier this year. Analysts are already speculating that other altcoins like Solana could be the next in line for similar investment products. Second news: Sam Altman has shut down Elon Musk's latest attempt to gain control of OpenAI. The feud between the two tech millionaires has been escalating, with Musk repeatedly criticizing OpenAI for its closed-source approach. Musk originally helped fund OpenAI in its early days, but later distanced himself from the project. Now, as AI became more powerful, Musk is pushing for greater transparency and regulations, when Altman and his team are doubling down on their commercial AI strategy. The battles over who controls AI, governments, corporations, or open source communities is becoming one of the defining conflicts of the decades. In our third news, North Carolina in the US is making headlines with the bills that could allow the state's treasury to invest directly into Bitcoins. If this legislation passes, it would mark the first time a US state official holds Bitcoin as a reserve asset. The proposal comes as several states explore ways to hedge against inflation and diversifying their financial holdings. If North Carolina moves forward, it could trigger a domino effect, leading other states to follow suit and add Bitcoin to their balance sheet. As we navigate through 2025, staying informed and adaptable is key to successful investing. All AI, energy, and gold presents promising opportunities, but it's absolutely essential to conduct thorough research and consider the inherent risks. Even the most seasoned investors can't predict the future. But that's not our goal anyway. Our goal is with the right knowledge, we can make a good informed decisions. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe for more daily updates. Stay invested and I'll see you tomorrow.